Really can't wait to meet my fellow Chitkarians here at the Alumni Meet happening here in Toronto, Canada on the 13th of May. Watch out this space for more amazing events coming up. Really super excited.
I'm from the 2017 batch and I'm really excited and really glad that Chitkara University is hosting an International Alumni Meet here in Toronto.
I did my Bachelor of Pharmacy from Chitkara University, and I'm here to thank to Madhu ma'am and the entire Chitkara team for the meet and greet happening in Toronto this year. Really grateful to be a part of it.
Hello guys, this is Shivam Kumar here from 2015 to 2018 batch from Media and Communication.
And myself, Rahul Bansal from 16 to 19 batch, same department.
So we are really excited to have our Chitkara Alumni Meet here in our own city in Toronto, and we are looking forward to meet you all.
It's going to be an absolute honor, certainly a privilege to be able to connect to my juniors, my fellow mates and my seniors. Congratulations on sustaining and achieving the journey so far.
Hello everybody, Dhruv Sharma here from Mechanical Engineering Batch 2004. I wanted to thank the complete faculty and staff from Chitkara University to helping arrange this amazing get-together for all the students here in Canada.
Hi everyone, this is Erica from 2013 BCA GBC batch. It's a great opportunity that has been given to us by Chitkara.
Hi there, this is Ruchika Nehru, ECE 2004 batch. I'm so excited to be a part of the First International Alumni Meet happening right here in Toronto.
Hello Chitkarians, I'm Sushant Amija, 12 Mechanical 2004 batch. I'm super excited for this surprise that came our way to be with Chitkara alumni family in this part of the world.
Hi, my name is Harman Saini. I'm from the Royal Mechanical Batch 2002. It just seems like yesterday when we stepped foot into the Chitkara campus in Rajpura in 2002, and here we are 20 years later.
It was August 2009. I still remember clearly when I joined the Chitkara School of Planning and Architecture. Who would have thought then that the world was actually going to be coming together? And not just that, it was a dream that I had probably not even dreamt of, where we, the alumni of Chitkara University, would be getting together years after graduation, oceans away, here in Canada.
Well, I would like to thank you, Madhu ma'am and Ashok sir, for this brilliant initiative to bringing all the Chitkarians together in North America. Just looking forward to meet all the fellows Chitkarians in Toronto, Canada.